Today is Saturday, the 20th of January 2018. I'm at the CMT Trade Fair. The trade fair has now been closed for nearly 2 hours. I'm still here, and you can hear some of the revelers are also still here on the Dethleffs stand, no doubt celebrating what could be for them one of their best sales days of the year, because this day, the final Saturday of the trade fair, tends to be one of the best. Of course, the final day Düsseldorf is also noted for being a good day. This vehicle in front of me is the T7051 DBM. It's the Dethleffs Advantage, and as we may guess from the fact it's got NOI written above it, it's probably quite new. We have there a deep garage, but unfortunately not one sufficiently large enough to get a bicycle into. It 93 centimeters by 70 centimeters. You also see at the back it's got a reversing camera, and now let's have a look inside. But first of all, we'll take in some of the details, including the price, which is over 62,000 euros in this condition. It's 740 centimeters long, 276 centimeters high. It's got a width of 233. In driving condition, you're looking at over 500 kilos of payload on a 3.5 ton basis. It's got a queen bed at the back here, which is pretty large really, and okay, there's a step up here. We've got, oh, what could this be? Very sensible sliding door on this. Oops, sorry, hit myself. There's the shower. What do you think of that as a solution? Hang on, I want to walk across to the side because I'll get a better view from there. You can't see the shower now, and when you move the sliding door around, you can see it. I think that's quite clever actually. Never thought of that one before. Okay, hanging space, electric sockets, lockers, and on the right, I'd imagine would find the toilet. Oh, I imagined correctly. You know, this thing here gives all this extra space as well, with the duckboard being down there, and it goes in that direction, and the skylight in the top. Quite like that. Okay, down here we've got a bit of underfloor storage. Not a lot, of course. This isn't a double floor as such in this vehicle. Also, we've got storage under the bed, as you can see. Right, in here, note the number of Dethleffs fans. Give this so you can bring your four-legged friend with you. And kitchen up here. So you've got 3 burner hobs, you've got your sink, and you've got drawers under, as you'd expect. Lockers down the side, and here, benefits from not having a bed, and instead these fantastic two skylights to allow light to come in. A lot of room around here. We have a step up, as you can see from there, and as you may see, which is unusual, I think it's the first time I've seen a Dethleffs vehicle on a Citroën basis. So Citroën are getting a bigger market share, although it doesn't really make any difference because Citroën, Peugeot and Fiat are all made in the same place anyway. There's someone else who likes their flowers in the van. Well, I'm not keen on flowers, I'm into herbs. So I suppose it's not quite the same thing. I know it's a bit dark. It's dark outside because there's no one in the halls. They've turned the lights off in the halls, so that's to be expected, of course. I mean, it did close 2 hours ago, so that's what we have to expect. So what do you think of this van? Do you like it or not? Do you think it's impractical? Would you rather have something else? If so, what? right down. Oh, there's the tower fridge. It says push here, so I'll push and let's find out what comes out. Yeah, a little bit extra storage. Your electrics up there, so you can see what the time is, as well as how much water you've got and how much electricity you've got. Right, unfortunately there is music here which is copyrighted, so I hope I won't have any problems because I don't know how to remove this in my films. Anyway, if you're interested in any more vehicles from Dethleffs, please have a look at my site. I stayed at their factory in their site, if you like. There's only 5 places there, but it was great. And Isny im Allgäu, it's a lovely place in southern Germany. I've got such happy memories of that town. Lovely old town. Anyway, so you get the chance, go down there and have a look at it yourself. But also, I stayed next to the factory, but there's also this lovely air in the centre of, next to a mill in the centre of Isny, which is really great.